Hello, first graders. I'm so excited to read with you today. We're going to read a new book called A Sunset Picnic. And in this book, you will recognize some of the words that we talked about in our other lesson on high frequency words. You might see the word was, you might see the word they, and you might see the word you. And when we come to those words, we'll stop and we'll recognize that those are the words that we have learned this week. Ready? We're going to read together. As I'm reading, I'm going to point to the words and you follow along. The story is called A Sunset Picnic. Grab a picnic basket, said Dad. Why? Asked Sam. You will see, said Dad. There's that word, you. Recognize that from our other lesson we did this week. Grab 2 napkins, said Dad. Why? Said Sam. You will see, said Dad. There's that word, you. Grab a blanket, said Dad. Why? Said Sam. You will see, said Dad. I got a big sandwich from the market, said Dad. We will split it. Dad and Sam got to the hill. There's the hill, the big hill with the sun and the clouds. They saw the red sunset. Dad said it was crimson, which means it's almost a reddish color. And I noticed there is the word was. That's another word that we were learning this week. I see, said Sam. And that is the end of the story. I want you to think about, as we come to the end of the story, what time of day do you think that Sam and Dad saw the sunset? Think back to some of the lessons you've learned in the beginning of the year about the sun, moon, and stars. And tell your family member or friend that's there to describe what time of day the sunset would happen and what happens during a sunset. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I look forward to reading another one with you soon.